Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy NordVPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and discounts for 2025 so you can save big right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs worldwide, with thousands of servers, super fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or traveling, NordVPN gives you privacy and freedom online. Here are the codes you can try. Nord83 off. Save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord for free. Get 4 months free with long-term subscriptions. VPN 2025. Flat 20% off for new customers this year. Safe 15. Extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30. 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the max discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN deals like this won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.